Now let's prepare and try to clear the concepts step by step by understanding that how can we solve the probabilities by the logics or by applying the formulas. Now the question comes in understanding the questions, and the students get confused that whether I have to apply the AND formula, the OR formula, or which formula, or the combination problem, or the permutation problems, or so on, or I can do it directly. And this leads to this leads them to the wrong answers. So understand that a question, if you fully understand, then the question can be done by different ways. So let's try to understand the questions one by one. Uh, a question is, a bag has 5 blue marbles, 4 green marbles, and 7 red marbles. So I'm writing here only 5 blue marbles, 4 green marbles, and 7 red marbles. So how many total marbles are there? So 9 plus 7 is 16 in total. So total number of the marbles are 16. You don't need to write them. Just to make you understand, I'm writing each and every step so that you can understand. Now the question is, you have to select 2 marbles one at a time with replacement, which means, what does it mean? That there is a box in which you will have a lot of the marbles. Okay, so you select 1 marble. For example, this marble is you are selecting, and after selecting, for example, it is a green marble. Okay, so you note it down that this is the green marble, and then again you place it back. Okay, so you take out 1 marble, you write down or note it down what marble or what color is this, and then again you put it back. This is called with replacement. Okay, so if this is understood, so let's go to the second part. Now the question comes, it is selection. It is not a permutation, it is a selection. Determine the probability that the first marble is blue and the second marble is blue. So first of all, probability. What is probability? Probability, here in the denominator we write the total number of outcomes, right? And in the numerator we write the favorable outcomes. So this is only the probability easiest formula. You understand that in the denominator you write the total number of outcomes, and in the numerator the outcomes which you are going to select. Now the other thing is, which you understand before doing this question, is that when do you put the AND word, means multiplication sign between the two events, and when will you put the OR sign with the or with the plus signs between the two events. Now of course you will use the formula, but I don't want you to use the formula directly. Just understand with the situation that when you will put a multiplication sign before writing the probability, or you will use the plus sign after writing the probability. So when and or can be written, remember that if the work is ongoing, it means the work is not completed. Okay, so work is not completed. In that case, you will use the multiplication sign. And when the work is completed, then you will use the positive sign. So what is meant by work is not completed? For example, if I am asking you, choose 2 marbles, right? Choose 2 marbles, so that the probability of the first marble, okay, is, what is the probability of getting the red marble, and what is the probability that the second marble is blue. So first of all, what you will do, you will draw a marble, you will write the probability of getting the red marble. Now, have you finished your work? No. Why? Because you have drawn only 1 marble. You have to draw, they are asking you to draw the 2 marbles. So what you will do, you will draw another marble. So which means that first marble you will write, the probability of choosing the first marble, that is the red marble, and after that you will write the probability of the blue marble. And since the work is completed afterwards, so in between them you will put a multiplication sign, because choosing the red marble, it means you chose only one marble, whereas your work was to choose the two marbles, and then you chose the blue marble. Okay, so the work when finished, then you will be able to write the plus and minus sign after that one. Okay, so before that one, between the two, when the two events while they were occurring, it was the first work when completed over here. Okay, so at that place between them you will put the multiply sign. So now try to understand this question. You select the two marbles one at a time. It means first of all there is a box or there is a bag in which there are 5 blue marbles, 4 green marbles and 7 red marbles. What you have to do, you have to draw one marble, okay, and then put it back in the bag. Determine the probability that the first marble is blue and the second marble is also blue. Now remember that you are replacing the marbles. Now there are two ways to solve this question. So the easiest way is that what is the probability of getting the blue marble? So 5. There are in total 5 blue marbles. So the probability of getting the blue marbles are 5. Out of how many total? The total are 16 marbles. Okay, so out of the 16 marbles, there is a chance of getting 5. Now times, because here you have chosen only one blue marble, right? Whereas they are asking you to choose the two marbles. So that's why you will put a multiplication sign, because the work is not completed, it's ongoing. Now you put back the marble. You wrote the color and put it back. So again in the marbles bag there are 16 marbles and there are 5 blue marbles. So this is how you will find the probability in case of the replacement. Now some of the students, in order to solve this question, they use the combination and they apply the combination understanding. So it is also correct. So first of all, how you will do it. Okay, so understand with the combination technique if you do not get this technique. Combination technique. Okay, so total marbles are there. How many total marbles are there? How many total marbles are there? It is 16 marbles, right? Out of the 16 marbles, you have to choose one marble, right? You have to choose the one marble. Okay, now first marble should be blue. Okay, first marble should be blue. So the blue will be selected from the blue one. So total number of the blue marbles are 5. And how many marbles you have to select? The first marble. It means one marble out of the 5 marbles should be blue. Now second, multiplying, again you have to select one more marble. So again you have to select the marble from the blue. So selecting the marble from the blue, one marble from the blue, again the blue from the blue choice. So 5C1. And how many in the bag were there? There were 16C1, because you have to choose the first marble from the 16 marbles. So this is the way you will solve the first question. So if you understand or go by the fundamental counting principle, it will make your life easier. But if you are using the combination problem, then you have to understand this. Now the question number 2. The question number 2 says you select the two marbles one at a time. One at a time means first of all choose the first marble, then do not replace it without replacement. Okay, so first of all the easy things. Again there are 5 blue, 4 green and 7 marbles. Okay, 7 red marbles. You have to choose in a way that the first marble is blue. So what is the possibility of getting the blue out of the 16 marbles? So there are 5 chances out of 16 marbles. Okay. Now you just draw it and put that marble over on one side. Do not replace it. When you do not replace it, it means how many blues are left? 14 blues are left. And if there are 14 blues are red, then how many in total left? In total, there are 15 marbles now in a bag in the situation number 2. So now, what is the probability of getting the second marble as also blue? So now, how many blue marbles are there? There are 4 blue marbles out of 15 marbles. So this is how you will use your without replacement formula, without replacement probability. Or let's see how will we solve in the combination way. Now in the combination way, they are asking you to draw the one marble without replacement. So out of the 16 marble, you have to draw only one marble so that the marble is blue. So choose the first marble, which has to be blue, one marble out of the blue marbles. It means 5 blue marbles. Now without replacement means you already have now 4 marbles left in the four blue marbles left in the bag, which means 4C1 because you are drawing another marble. Out of how many marbles which are left in the bag? 15 marbles. So 15C1. If you will solve these questions, you will get the same answer. So let's try this question. A bag contains 4 red, 6 green, 3 white balls. 3 balls are drawn one after the other. Means draw the first ball with replacement. Put it back. Then the other ball, put it back. And then again the other ball, put it back. What is the probability that the balls are red, then green and then green? So first of all, you have to how many total balls are there in the bag? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 3 are 13 balls in the bag. 3 balls are drawn one by one. So what is the probability of getting the red ball? So total number of the red balls are 4. So 4 out of 13 times. Now again you have to choose now the green ball. So how many green balls are there? 6 out of 13. You have to put back, okay, return back the ball in the bag. So it means again choosing the green balls are 6 and total balls are 13 in the bag. So this is the way we will solve the questions of the probabilities with replacement in the easiest way. Now the next, a bag contains 4 red balls, 6 green balls, 3 white balls. It means again the total number of the balls are 30. You have to choose, you have to find out or draw the balls one by one without replacement. Without replacement means that first of all you draw a ball. Okay, so in a bag there were 13 balls. Then again you put it back, you do not return it back. So how many balls are left in the second time? 12 bucks. Again you put the ball aside and how many balls are now? 11 balls. Okay, now how many? You have to choose one by one balls. First of all, red balls. Okay, so how many red balls in the first chance? 4 red balls. So see, there are 4 red balls, there are 6 green balls and there are 3 white balls. Okay, so red. Now you took out one red ball. Okay, so 3 red balls are left. Okay, so now what is the possibility of getting the green ball in the second chance? In the second, 6 green balls. Now you draw the 6 green balls and now you have been left with the 5 green balls. Again, what is the possibility of choosing the green ball in the end? So there are 5 green balls in the end, in the bag. I hope that this concept is understood to you. Now, try to solve this question. A bag contains 3 red and 7 black balls. So I am writing here 3 red balls and 7 black balls in the bag. 2 balls are taken out at a random without replacement. So no replacement is done. If the first ball is red, okay, so let's see how can we write this part. Using the combination or without using the combination, it's up to you. So I write with the combination because it helps me in solving the other questions also. So if I understand here the combination problem, later on I won't make the mistake in applying the combination formulas. If the first ball is red, it means how many total balls are there? The total are 10 red balls. Okay, so total are 10 red balls. So I will write here 10C1. Why 10C1? Because right now I am willing to draw the first ball. The first ball is red. Choose the red from the red ball. It means the first ball which you are choosing should be out of 3 red balls. So this is what I have done. I have drawn only first ball. Is my process or my work completed? No, my work is not completed. Why my work is not completed? Because in total I have to draw 2 balls. So if my work is not completed, which sign I will put? I will put multiplication sign. Okay, so until the work is not completed, I have to put a multiplication sign. Now, what is the probability that the second ball is also red? So again you will write 10C1. Okay, because without replacement. Okay, so now you are doing without replacement. It means you will have 9C1. Why 9C1? Because I have already took out 1 red. So it means in my bag there are 2 reds. So if my 2 reds are there, so my total will be 9. So I will have 9C1. Now, so that the second ball is also red. So if the 3 balls were in the total, so now how many balls are left for the red? 2 red balls are left out of, and I have to draw 1 ball. So if you write this in the calculator and check what option do we get, please use directly to find the answer. That means write down 3C1, write down 3C1 times 2C1. So 2C1 divided by 10C1 times 9C1. So 9C and 1, and the answer is 1 over 15. Now check if we can write this directly. Okay, so if you are willing to do it directly, you can say that in the bag there are 10 balls. There were 10 balls, right? In the bag there were 10 balls. So you can write it as 10 in the denominator. 10 in the denominator. And how many balls you have to pick? There are 3 in total red balls. So first process is done, but still there is left another process. That means again you have to draw a red ball. Okay, so the possibility, because you are not replacing, so the possibility of getting the another ball is 2, and the down will be 9. So this is how you will solve it. So again the question answer will gives you 1 over 50. Okay. Now try to understand this question and differentiate it with the previously done question to understand the concept. An urn contains 9 red balls, 7 white balls and 4 black balls. So in a bag there are 9 red, 7 white and 4 black balls. If the 2 balls are drawn at random, Okay, they didn't use the word one after the other or one by one. They just are saying that two balls are drawn at random. Then what is the probability that the first ball is white and the other ball is red? First of all, that they are not saying first take out one ball, okay, and then take out the other ball. Okay, so what you have to do, they are just telling you that out of the 20 balls, take out the 2 balls. Okay, so you will write in that way the selection of the probabilities as 20C2. Out of the total, you have to select the 2 balls. So you wrote 20C2. So that the one is the white ball. Now you have to, already I have mentioned this in the previously videos, that the white will be selected from the white balls, red will be selected from the red balls. So what is the probability of getting one white ball? It would be 7C1. It means the white balls will be selected from the white balls. Now, is your process completed? No, the process is not completed. Why the process is not completed? Because they are asking us to select 2 balls. We have so far selected only one ball. It means the sign which will come between the first even and the second will be the multiply sign. Now they are asking you the second ball could be, what is the probability that the second ball is red? Okay, so you know that one ball you have to select out of the means, so that the probability is red. So the red balls will be selected from the red balls, and there are 9 red balls. So this is the difference between this one and the previously done questions. Now in a box, there are 2 red, 3 black and 4 white balls. So there are 2 red balls, 3 black balls and 4 white balls. So in total 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balls in total. Out of these, 3 balls are drawn together. Okay, so you are going to draw the 3 balls together. So which means that the total selection will be 9C3. Total number of outcomes will be 9C3. 3 balls you have to select out of the total 9 balls. You have to select in such a way that the balls drawn are of the same color, which means all the 3 balls will either be red, or all the 3 balls will be black, or the 3 balls will be white, means or this or this. Now try to understand. So we have 3 balls should be red. Now how many total red are there? Total red balls are 2. So out of the 2 balls, can I select the 3 balls? No. So this case is not possible. Select the 3 balls so that all are black. Yes, the total number of the blacks are 3. So 3C3 I can write. Or, okay, so all the 3 selection has been made. Okay, the work completed. So either I can choose the black ball, or means plus, means this work can be done in this way, or the work can be done in other way. What other way? That the 3 balls will be my white ball. So out of 4 balls, the 3 balls will be white ball. So I hope that now the concept of writing the plus or multiplication is clear to do. They are asking you one more time, they are asking you to select the 3 balls so that all 3 balls will be red, or all the 3 balls will be black, or all the 3 balls will be white. But we have 2 red balls. So it is not possible that all the 3 balls will be red. So this case is cannot be possible. All the black balls, okay, all the black balls should be 3, means all the balls should be black. Yes, there is a possibility because in total there are 3 balls. Now out of the three black, we can choose the 3 balls. Yes. Now the work is complete. Yes, the work is complete. Why the work is complete? Because we had to choose the 3 balls. Now this is one case. The other case is, or the other case is that out of the 4 white balls, I can choose the 3 balls so that all the 3 balls are white. Yes, this is another work. So between the two works, I put up or sign or word, which means I have to put a plus sign. So this is the work I have to, this is the way I will solve my question. So check your answer in the calculator and write it down. Try to understand this question. Now, a bag contains 4 white balls and 2 black balls. So understand, there is a bag in which there are 4 white balls and 2 black balls. Now there is another bag. So I have another bag which contains 3 white balls and 5 black balls. One ball is drawn from each bag. It means one ball from the first bag and one ball has to be drawn from the second bag. Okay. Then the probability that both the balls are black. It means what is the probability of getting the black ball from the first bag? The probability of getting the first ball from the first bag is 2C1. Because we have to choose one ball, so I wrote here the one ball. I have to choose the possibility that the ball is black. So out of the 2 black balls, I chose one black ball. Now, what are the chances of getting the black ball from the second bag? From the second bag, black will be chosen from the black. So I have one ball. I have to choose one ball so that this ball is black. So it will be 5C1. Okay. Now, is this the work? This is only the selection of the black balls. Okay. So I have written 2C1 and 5C1. Okay. Now, how many total balls I have to select? Means from the first bag, the total balls are 6. Okay. So from the first bag, the total are 6 balls. So I will have 6, and from the first bag, I have to select only one ball. So 6C. From the second bag, what is the total number of the balls from the second bag? It is 8. So it means 8. And from the second bag, I also had to choose the one ball. So 8C1. Now the question is, do I put here plus or multiply? Okay, I put the plus if the work complete. What work? Choosing the 2 balls. Okay, I put the multiply if the work is not complete. It means the 2 balls had to be chosen. So from the first bag, I chose only one ball. Okay, and so the work is not complete, right? Because I had to select the 2 balls. Okay, so that's why I will put a multiplication sign. So I hope that you understood that when we will apply the plus sign, or when do we write the minus sign, or the plus sign. So if the work is not complete, you will not be able to put a plus sign. You will put between them, you will put only in between, you will put only a multiplication sign. Now let's check what is my correct option. It is 5C1. And if you are working with the SAT, if you are in the calculator section of the SAT, or you are in the EMSAT, then don't elaborate or don't open it with the help of the formula. Just try to write the same way as I am writing in the calculator and get the answer. Okay, so let's check what is the answer. The answer is 5 over 20. Okay. Now here is the question to understand the difference between writing the multiply and plus also. If from each of the three boxes, so means there are three boxes, they are saying the first box, second box and three box. In such a way that the first box contains the 3 white and 1 black ball. Okay, the second box contains 2 white and 2 black ball, and the third box contains 1 white and 3 black balls. Now one ball is drawn at random. Okay, so from each box draw at least one ball in such a way that the probability is 2 white balls. Find the probability of the 2 white balls and 1 black ball. So it means, first of all, understand what cases could it be. From each of the box you have to draw only one ball. So it might be possible that the first box will give you one white ball. Second box also you will draw one white ball. So because you have two white balls, okay, and one black ball, so there is a possibility that the third box will give you one black ball. What is another possibility? That the first box you will get the white ball. From the second box you will get the black ball, and from the third box you will get the white ball again, because you need two white balls and one black ball. What is the last possibility? That the first box will give you the black ball, and from the remaining two boxes you will get the white balls. Now how to understand the probability? So you have to find out the probability of getting the white ball from the first box, white ball from the second box, and the black ball from the third box. Okay, so this is the first possibility. What is the second possibility? That you get the white ball from the first box, black ball from the second box, and from the third box again the white box. What is the last chance? That black ball from the first box, white and white from the second and the third box respectively. So let's see how to write the probabilities or the number of chances. First of all, number of chances let's write. So the first possibility, okay. So choose the white from the white, choose the black from the black. Okay, so first box white. Okay, so 3C1. So here 3 and here 1 white box. About the second one, again white ball. So 2C1, and from the third box it is the black from the black balls. It means 3C1. So this is the chance. You have to draw three balls. Okay, after that the work will be completed. So during drawing, is the work completed? No, the work is completed when you finish drawing the one ball from each box. Okay, now what is the second case? The second case says that choose the white ball from the first box, choose the black ball, okay, from the second, choose the black ball. So black balls are, number of black balls are 2, C1. Choose the white box from the third ball. So it will be 1, C1. Now the last is, now that between them we will put a multiplication sign. Okay, what is the last chance? That choosing the black ball from the first box, that is 1B1. Choosing the white ball from the second box, so it will be 1C2. And choosing the white ball, sorry, it is 2C1. Okay, and what is the third case? Choosing the white ball from the third box. Okay, so now when the work, after choosing them, the work completes. Now this work completed, yes, it's completed. So put a plus sign between the first case and the second case. Now the work completed, yes, the work completed. So between them put a plus sign. So once the work is completed, you put a plus sign. So either first case or second case or the third case possible. If you like the video and you understood the concept, stay with me because I am going to explain the higher and more difficult questions in the upcoming videos. Stay with me and don't forget to like the video if you understand the concept.